And today I will explain you chapter trigonometry exercise 8.1 part 2. In part 2 from question number 6 it will start. Question number 6, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, angle A and angle B are acute angle and cos A is equal to cos B, show that angle A is equal to angle B. Then we have to prove that angle A and angle B are equal. Now, given cos A is equal to cos B, cos A is equal to this angle, given angle and 90 degree, this is the base, this side is the base automatically, so it is AC base, so cos A is base upon hypotenuse, so AC upon AB, and cos B is equal, when B is the given angle, this is the base, so it is BC upon AB, BC upon AB. Now AB cancel, AC is equal to BC, so AC equal to BC, angle opposite to the equal sides are equal, these two sides are equal, so these two angles are also equal, angle A equal to angle B. Next question is, if cot theta is equal 7 upon 8, evaluate this question and this one, two part. Section A, first part is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, it is a plus b, a minus b, it is a square minus b square, and a plus b, a minus b, it is also a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. Now, from the trigonometric ratio, we have to find the value of sine and cos. In question sine and cos, we have to find out the sine and cos. Cot theta has given, cot theta is equal 7 upon 8, so it is b upon p, base upon perpendicular. From, I think once more you have to see that one, cot theta equal base upon perpendicular. Now it is BC upon AB, theta this one, base BC and AB is the perpendicular. So it is, you take as base BC is equal to 7k and AB is equal to 8k. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. You find out AC square is equal to 113k square. So AC is equal to under root 113k. AC we have got. Now, sin theta is equal perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it is, in this here, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. Next, it put the value of this, AB is 8k and AC is under root 113k, it is 8 upon under root 113. Similarly, cos theta is equal base upon hypotenuse, so it is BC upon AC, BC upon base and AC is the hypotenuse. Now it is, put the value 7k upon under root 113k, it is 1 upon 7 upon 1 under root 1 upon 13. Now this value, sine and cos, we have got it here. Now you substitute this value in these terms, it is 1 minus 8 upon under root 113 whole square and it is 1 minus 7 upon under root 1 upon 13 whole square. Now it is 8 8 is 64 upon this and it is 49 upon this. It is the LCM and it is 113 minus 64. This calculation is very 100, very easy, okay. 113 will cancel and it is 49 upon 64. Second part, cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to 7 upon 8. Cot theta has given 7 upon 8. So cot square theta 7 upon 8 whole square is 49 upon 64. Question number 8, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal cos square A minus sin square A or not. It is, now solution is, it is given 3 cot A is equal to 4. 3 will shift to one side, right hand side. So cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. So cot means base upon perpendicular, according to this chord A, this is the angle, base is this one and perpendicular this. So base is 4K, AB is 4K and BC is 3K. According to that, by Pythagoras theorem, we have got AC is equal to 5K. That I have written here, AC equal 5K. Now, here we have to find out sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, because tan theta, cos theta and sin theta are there in this given question. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypo, according to this perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it is 3 upon 5. Next is cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse, it is 4 upon 5. And tan theta is equal perpendicular upon base, tan A is equal perpendicular upon base, 3 upon 4. Now this value you substitute in this format. Now left hand side, this one, substitute this value, it is coming 7 upon 25. And right hand side, cos square A minus sin square A, you substitute this value and it is coming 7 upon 25. So left hand side equal to right hand side we have got. So hence these two are equal, left hand side equal right hand side. Question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, this is the triangle ABC, right angle at B. If tan A is equal 1 upon root 3, find the value of, first is sin A cos C plus cos C sin A. And second one is, first one you see, according to this we have to first find out 2, always 2 we have. Third one we have to find out. That means tan theta is equal, given is tan A is equal 1 upon root 3. That means tan is, it is 1K and it is root 3K. We can write it. Tan A is equal perpendicular upon base. A, angle A, this one, opposite side is perpendicular. So it is perpendicular, it is K, and base is this one, root 3K. Okay, so BC is equal K and AB is equal root 3K. Find the substitute this value in Pythagoras theorem. There it is, AC is equal to 2K we have got. AC square is equal 4K square, so AC is equal 2K. Now substitute the value. Now here perpendicular base and hypotenuse we have got. Now find the value of sin A cos C, cos A sin C, cos A sin C, sin A cos C. These all terms you find out here. So it is sin A, when angle A, it is perpendicular and it is hypotenuse. So K upon 2K, it is 1 upon 2. Sin C, this angle is C, it is base then. And opposite is, this one is hypotenuse. Or sorry, it is perpendicular. So sin C is equal AB upon, sin is perpendicular, AB upon BC, sorry, AB upon AC, root 3 upon 2. Cos A, angle A, base upon hypotenuse, root 3K upon 2K, it is root 3 upon 2. Cos C, again C angle, cos is base upon hypotenuse, so 1 upon 2 it is. This value we have now substitute this value in the given terms. It is coming sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Substitute this value. It is coming 1. And second question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Again substitute this value. It is coming 0. Now next question is question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PQR, right angle at Q, given PQ plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is, sorry, PR plus QR is equal 25 and PQ is 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P, tan P. These 3 value we have to find out. Now as given, PR plus QR is equal to 25 and PQ is equal to 5. Here we take any one of these two x. I have taken PR is equal to x. Then QR is equal to 25 minus PR, means it is 25 minus x. By Pythagoras theorem, find that PR square plus hypotenuse square is equal perpendicular square plus base square. According to this, substitute this value, these all three value we have. According to the PR is x, PQ is 5 and QR is equal 25 minus x. Substitute this value here and it is 50x. This one change into identity. 50x, this one 50x, it will shift to this side, it's positive 50 and it is, if you add it, 650. Now this side x and equal side both are the same sign, same terms will cancel, so it x square will cancel. Now it is x is equal to 650 upon 50, it is 13. X we have got 13. X means PR. We have taken PR is equal to x. PR 13. So QR is equal to 25 minus 13. It is 12. And PQ already given 5 centimeter. Now we have to find out sin P, cos P and tan P. Sin P, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it is 12 upon 13. Cos P, base upon hypotenuse, it is 5 upon 13. And tan P, perpendicular upon base, it is 12 upon 5. Now last question, it is question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Value of tan A is always less than 1. Tan A is equal to what we know? Perpendicular upon base. So tan A is less than 1, it is false. Because perpendicular upon base, perpendicular, if it is greater, perpendicular is greater and base is, perpendicular upon base, it is always less than 1 has given. It should not be always. Sometimes maybe perpendicular is greater than base. So in that case, it is more than 1. So it is false. Next is sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 for same value of angle A. Some value of angle A. Sec A is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. So it is true. Hypotenuse always greater than base. So this ratio is possible. So it may be correct. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. It is false because cos A is the abbreviation of cosine of angle A, not cosecant. Cosecant means cot, cosine is cos. Cot and cos. Now it is cot A is the product of cot and A. It should not be product of cot and A. It is cosecant of A. So it is cosecant of A. Sin A is equal 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. Sin theta is equal. Now it is angle A. Sin A is equal to perpendicular upon base. So hypotenuse never be less than the perpendicular. So it is false. Thank you very much. Next I have given an assignment. This is the assignment, only 5 questions are there. Thank you very much.